So Samsung is the undisputed king of the foldable smartphone market, and the most important member of the foldable Galaxy devices is the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which was even the most popular foldable phone last year. Now, even though the original Z Flip was a fantastic device, but it had few big compromises. But then the improvement came in the form of the Galaxy Z Flip 3, which offered a new attractive design with larger cover display, better durability, and a high refresh rate in a display with thinner bezels, aside from the typical camera and processor improvements. The next model, the Z Flip 4, could finally offer a battery upgrade. Galaxy Club claims to have found an evidence that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will have slightly bigger battery, to be exact 3400 mAh, which would be an increase of only 100 mAh. Now, it's surely not a huge upgrade by any means, but it's still a good change. But that's not the only thing that will get bigger. Rumors are also saying that we will see a bigger cover display on the Galaxy Z Flip 4. According to Ross Young, the Z Flip 4's cover screen size would be upwards of 2 inches, even though the exact measurement is still unknown at this point, but that simply means that it will increase the use cases of the cover screen of the foldable. Now, perhaps this screen will be enough usable to make it a truly mainstream foldable, let's call it. Regardless of anything, it's also a good change. Now, if you don't know, Samsung has recently announced the latest 4.0 version of its Universal Flash Storage or UFS storage solution, and it will go into mass production during the third quarter of this year. The UFS 4.0 will deliver big time gains in speed and efficiency for mobile devices. It will offer a bandwidth of up to 23.2 GB per second per lane, double that of the UFS 3.1. UFS 4.0 will be available in capacities as large as 1 TB. So yeah, it's good. It's really good. Now, Samsung will work with other manufacturers as well to make UFS 4.0 available for other Android handsets, automobiles, and for AR and VR. Now, there is a big chance that the storage solution will be used inside the next generation foldables from Samsung. That means the Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4. You can also check out my channel for the Z Folds videos. Now, the Z Flip 4 could be cheaper than the Z Flip 3, which right now starts at $1,000. And it will be introduced in August alongside the Z Fold 4 and the Galaxy Watch 5. So thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. So finally, my latest Web 2 series wallpaper pack is here. It is by far my best creation. This pack has 12 different very high resolution wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, and smartphones. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.